Do you feel exhausted or unmotivated? That you wish you had somebody to make you feel better? If so, stay with me. In this video, you're gonna learn the reason why you feel exhausted and unmotivated and how you can change it by reading this book called Zen Happiness. Hi, I'm Kumiko, a self-discovery coach. I help disconnected midlife moms to find their way back home to themselves. Let's talk about the reason why we feel exhausted and unmotivated. Tell me if this sounds familiar to you. So, alarm goes off in the morning and you jump out of the bed and immediately you start making lunch or making breakfast for everybody else. How much time do you have me time to yourself first thing in the morning? If you're like old me, never. Everybody else's needs are met first before yours. You start the day like a machine. I'm the go-get doing machine, busy everywhere from all different directions that pulls you away from yourself. That is very hard for your soul, your body, and your mind. You're juggling everything all at once. Of course you get exhausted. And don't you wish your children or your partner, husband, whoever that is, cheer you up or making you feel better? But who can be there for you 24/7 other than yourself? That's right, other than yourself. You are the only person. But that person is always looking for somebody else to show up. That doesn't work. Let me be your cheerleader without pom-pom today by reading this book called Zen Happiness by Jon J Muth. I also want you to pay attention to how you feel. Which one do you resonate the most? I'm sure you can find your favorite one for this moment. Are you ready? Zen Happiness. We are born again with each new day. Words, both true and kind, can change the world. Be someone you want to be around. That's my favorite in the morning. What we do now is what matters most. We focus so much about future or past, but it's now, it's the present moment that matters the most. What we think, we can become. I know you feel stuck in midlife transitions, but it's your thought that can change. So keep going. Believe in yourself. With our thoughts, we create the world. Beautiful. When you reach the top, keep climbing. Be kind to yourself. Whatever you do today, let it be enough. That's one of the hardest things I deal with every single day. You probably feel the same way. 3 things cannot remain hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. It is so true. You, as much as anyone in the universe, deserve your love and respect. This is totally for us, isn't it? We give so much love and respect to others, but not ourselves. It's a great reminder. From stillness, life rises. This is one of the most important things you need to remember. When you are present in the moment, staying still, you hear more so your inner voice. Your intuition is a guide to navigate through this midlife transition so you don't feel exhausted or unmotivated. Just be still. That's where life begins. May all beings have happy minds. I wonder which one you resonated the most. This may be the message you needed to hear the most today. Whenever you read this book, read it for your inner child. She is right here. She needs your love, care, and compassion. And you are the best mom for her. Read it. I know you're tired and exhausted, but I also know you're capable of showing up for yourself. Believe in yourself and trust your intuition. And remember, I am one of the biggest cheerleaders for your life journey. I hope this video inspired you. If so, click on the subscribe button so you won't miss any future content. Thank you for watching. Yes, whatever I do today, let it be enough. And I call this good enough.